Yo, 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 yo. Oh, good afternoon, everyone. Let's roll. Someone stolen my neutral. There we go. First time. Boy. Nah, it's all very dramatic. New Zealand is in the grip of a heat wave. Middle of summer. It's like 27, 28, 29 degrees. Gorgeous. Gonna race across town and try and find Hamish. Pick up something chilled on the way through, hopefully. That'll keep the temperatures down. It is sweltering. It's gonna be a good ride tonight. Oh, mighty potato. So as I was saying, I went into the drive-thru once in Pookie, and I got to the window. I was like, oh, can I have some food? And she's like, no. So, excuse me? She's like, yeah, we don't serve motorcycles. I said, on what grounds? She said, like safety grounds. But since you're making a fuss, we'll serve you just this time. Oh, what a load of hogwash, lady. Can I give you the rubbish?
Thank you.
Oh, don't go away. You rat bag. Oh, that's gonna come apart. I'll give you the rubbish. Don't go away. Oh no. Stay, please. I'm so gonna get brain freeze. This is no good. Next time I'll get the smaller one. Road. Just what you need on a sweltering hot Friday summer evening. Frozen Coke on the bike. Brill. Right, Hamish is already at Key Street, so we're just going to cruise that way and catch up with him. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Oh yes, I got a green. I'm going to indicate with my Frozen Coke. Oh, I made it. Oh no, it's another red light, and we're at the top of Queen Street, and I'm going to need to use the clutch all the time. Uh-oh. That's second. It's first. Uh-oh. 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 I stalled it. That's first. I couldn't find neutral. Oh, now my bike's rolling everywhere. And the lid's come off my Frozen Coke. This is bad. I know we're good. We're good. Oh, we were away. Ah. Oh, I lost my lid! Ah, this turned badly. Oh well, I'm sure you're entertained. Here we go. What a waste of like 40 cents on. Alright, let's go meet up with the boys. We got the boys. We're gonna go do some stuff. We're gonna go find some twisty roads. It's gonna be mad. I think Sam wants to get rid of them chicken strips. What is up, guys? I'm here just practicing my YouTube personality voice. I've got a little bit of a lisp going on, and I've actually forgotten how to pronounce my words correctly. We're gonna do some pretty good racing. I mean, not racing, because it's a road. You don't race on the road, but you know what I mean. We're gonna get some good shots. We're gonna have some fun, get the adrenaline pumping, and stick along for the ride, guys and girls. Hope you enjoy it. It's gonna be great. Okay, here we go. Come on. Let's get this tape rolling, guys. Let's go, let's go. Okay, guys, let's get this video going right now. We're gonna take the Cleveland scenic route. For once, Sam won't be able to leave me behind on the straights. Right, here we go. so slippery. I feel like my tires are out of grip as well. Yes, that's good fun. How's that? Oh, one spicy moment there.
That was so much fun. Oh, I loved it.
Oh, here we go. Okay guys, so this is the factory Dunlop 208. It's quite warm, and we were just going to compare it with Continental.
That's so sticky as well. Wait, do you want to hit manure?
Horses are the most useless animal in the world. Am I going to power up the hill? Sort of sometimes work out the trajectory of a corner. Oh, nice. Oh, this is so much fun tonight. Yes. Change down. Drag the rear brake. I bet that looks cool. Oh yeah. Watching the exit, watch it open up, there we go. Push it, they're coming into right and left. Slow. Down one gear. Let the bike